my God. So I have been waiting in the lineup, right, to get my tires changed for 2 hours. It is hot as the bowels of hell in this car, right? Which is fine because it's my fault for waiting last minute, right? Anyway, it doesn't matter. I walk over to Tim Hortons because I have to pee so bad. I have my old coffee cup in my hand with my phone in the other hand. What do? I threw my phone in the garbage. And those are not garbages that have one lid, right? It's a length of garbages. I had to ask the guy, I'm dehydrated. I'm sorry. I've been sitting in the hot sun. He got it